The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness that has a factory installed raised rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo raised rail rack system. So this system consists of the WingBar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length, happens to be the black finish here, but silver is also available. Connecting the bar to the rail is the Thule Raised Rail Evo foot pack. So together they have a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and the bars can be adjusted along the length of the rail to wherever you see fit. So for more details, please click on the link in the description below. This is just a quick walk around so you can see what it looks like on your vehicle. Again, more details in the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.